Hey guys, want to test drive America's largest 5G network for free? T-Mobile has rebranded their famous network pass to simply T-Mobile Trial. It's the easiest way to get 30 days of unlimited data as a second line on your phone without spending a dime. And today, I'm showing you the 10-minute setup. So before you dive in, let's check the requirements. To qualify for trial this year, you must have an unlocked eSIM compatible phone, for example, like iPhone 12 Plus, Galaxy S22, etc. You cannot be a current T-Mobile Metro or T-Mobile Powered customer. You haven't used a T-Mobile trial in the last 12 months. If you meet those, you're ready to start. No credit card or physical SIM swap required. And this year, the entire process lives inside the T-Life app. So if you want to download it, you go T-Life, and this will be your application. And the app will automatically scan your device's eID to ensure that it's compatible. And you'll just need to enter your name, email, and current non-T-Mobile phone number to create your temporary trial profile. And then once your info is in, the app will push a notification saying cellular plan is ready to be installed. Tap it to download your trial eSIM. Also, pro tip, when your phone asks how to label the lines, set T-Mobile as your secondary or travel line. Make sure you set the T-Mobile as the default for cellular data, but keep your original carrier for default voice line. Then, now the 30-day trial. And it is not only about data anymore. The T-Mobile trial includes a taste of experience beyond plan. This means you get access to T-Mobile Tuesday packs, free in-flight Wi-Fi for up to 4 flights during the trial, and even T-satellite connectivity for emergency texting where there's no call service. That's it, and this is how you get 30 days for free. If this T-Mobile trial guide helped you find a better signal, hit subscribe and like the video.